What the fuck was that? I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. I'm gonna say about the game. Whatever. Bruh, I know I'm not. Nah, I'm home. I'm about to crib by myself. There's no. What? Tripping. I'm not tweaking, right? Just in case. Hey, anyone here? What the fuck? Who? Hold on, hell no. Who is it? Hey. Hey. What the fuck? What? What? I just heard something. Huh. Oh god, I knew I was tripping. I knew I was tripping. Let me go back to the game now. You know I was tripping. Weird. Hey, let's get back to the game. Hey, what the? Oh, hell no, nigga. You tripping. Nah, nigga. Hold on. Damn, why the fuck is it so dark here? Chill out, chill out. Back up, nigga. Chill out. Look, it's me. Mr. Brooks. Who? Mr. Brooks? Hold on. Your science teacher? Hold on. Still? Hold on, my fault. That better? Mr. Brooks? Dumbass took it out to realize? God damn. You have a nice house. Nigga, I almost shot you. What are you even doing here? Oh, y'all have a test tomorrow. When y'all first come to my class, you have a test tomorrow. What? You have a test tomorrow. That's cool. It's Labor Day tomorrow. Wait, you broke into my house not knowing it was Labor Day tomorrow? Oh, that's why they kept telling me not to. Oh. My mistake. Yeah. Get the hell out of my house. Alright. My bad. I'm sorry. Let me let myself out the front door. I don't care, just get out. My bad. Sorry. What? I need to go to bed. I can't do this tonight. I can't do this shit tonight. I can't do this tonight, bro. Okay.